haka jingja ka pasngausi Ngut ki breu kila do ai no ela ka jong ka jingem na ka jingtua Khyndew ka balaja haka khanriu tarik ujiliu hanong ba Tura ha West Garo Hills haka ba ka wei ka long yeng kala do ai ki Ngut ki men se breu kata ba Kynthup ya ka Kmie bat Ngut ki Khun ka balaja haka dong nakam bazar lembat wei rong ba bala nyo post nem karta ula do no ela ka jong ka jingem hadong sepoi colony Kajing tua jong ka Khyndew haki benta per jong ka rilom garu kalawan urlong hadien ka jing ther jong labba baklem sange bala sedang nadu kamit ka balala kani ka jingja kala ja ka por ka man rew steng mestam kat baya kimet la yo ban sei no na ka Khyndew ha ka por kum ba khandai sau pesan mestam kini gibla khlat no ha ka ta jingja kini gibla tep kerteng kum ka pinky chetri ka balai pesan snem karta u vijay chetri khat khandai snem karta ka Priya Chetri ba khat san snem karta bat u Rohan Chetri khat wei snem karta kiba na ka wei ka long yeng urang ba ubala nyo pos snem karta u dei bla tep kerteng ku chotel Lal Prasad upana ka dong sepoi colony bat u dei upulet ubala shong thai habe kren bat ka bati CTV u deputy commissioner ka West Garo Hills u Pravin Pakshi ula ong ba ula dep ban maham lupa ya ka jingther ula pa bat jingslei om hakini ki Khyndew tayo balala bat wat ka jingtawa Khyndew ru kalong ka weipat ka benta namar ka jinglong jingman jong ka sun benai udisi ulaya thu bula dep pan pa ni kilat jingerap bat ru bana kalyang ka kunhun ki pulet bat ki home guards ru ken peteng bantrei ban pentikena ba ka jingpen kerja iki breu shaka jaka ba khamlat na ka jingma nagalyang bakshi ulaya thu baka sarkar jila kala penbenai ya ka jingsiu bailut ksan ka bakot saulak tengka shaki bahayeng jong gitu kibla khlat no
that we have with us right now. There have been 5 deaths in West Garo Hills. These deaths have taken place in the early morning and a total of 5 people have died. So the first incident took place at a place called Nakam Bazar in Tura, where 4 of a family were buried alive due to landslip. There are 4 names with me, and of course there are 2 females and 2 males, which means it seems that all of one family. Then second incident also took place in Tura, wherein one 70-year-old person, Chotelal Prasad, he died. So we have the death toll of 5 in West Garo Hills, but all have happened in Tura town. And this has been precipitated due to the incessant rainfall which we have been receiving since last time. All through the night of 15th, very heavy rainfall has been there, and this rainfall continued till morning. In the morning of 16th, that is today also, there has been very heavy rainfall, at least for 3 to 4 hours. So it is on account of the unsafe habitations in many parts of Tura that this tragedy has taken place. We are taking steps from our side. We will be soon designating some camps wherein those people in vulnerable habitations, for which some mapping also has been done in the past, they'll be asked to come and stay there. It is for a couple of days, and we will be able to issue GR to them. Also, we are told that there has to be a quick inquiry done, and that ex-gratia compensation for death, loss of life, has to be paid. So as per the new norms of SDRF, will be